Okay, we're going to help you on how to create a smooth edit in Capcut PC free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
In order to create a smooth edit, make sure you are here on the top left hand screen and scroll to the right until you see templates. Basically, you want to click the drop down arrow and click the For You option. And underneath here, the search bar, type in Trent space edit. And basically, we want to find a Trent edit that has photos that we would like to replace. Now basically it would look like something like this. As you can see, we want to replace a photo. In this case, I have one underneath favorites that I'm going to use. You want to locate one that looks very similar to this, where there's multiple photos we would like to replace, and then drag this onto the video timeline in Capcut PC. As you can see, if we click here, there needs to be clips to be replaced. There's each and every individual one, so you need to click on them and replace them from your PC, locate the images or pictures to create a smooth edit. And once you're happy or satisfied with your new clips, if you want to replace the current audio, you basically just have to right click and then click extract audio. In this case, I have already done that. I've now added a separate audio or TikTok edit track that will match the smooth edit, and this is what we have. See how smooth that looks, that edit, in Capcut PC completely for free.